What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on Aurora, which has gone for a major increase in value, not just in the last 24 hours but over the last week. As you guys can see, it has been consistently hitting green candles. So we're going to be going through where is this crypto heading to next, and it has pumped up over 64% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just over 52 cents. So can it potentially get close to the dollar mark later on in the year? And is this a crypto worth investing into in 2024? And if so, is now the right time? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to be holding on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at both short-term and long-term holders as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, as you guys can clearly see, the crypto has broken out from the dark green zone into the top tier level within a space of about 24 hours, which is again not as sustainable and realistic as it seems, but we'll be going through that later on in the video. So for now, let me hide this and bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Aurora, which is here in purple at 32 cents. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at nearly 53 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Yes, they do look like they're going in a straight line. However, if you look closely, they are just about slanting towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Aurora over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value, potentially getting closer or just below 50 cents is what I'm expecting. That doesn't mean it's going to start crashing in value or even dropping in value right now. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, potentially above 55-56 cents, and then slowly start to hit red candles later on this evening towards the end of the day and early hours of tomorrow, dropping just below 50 cents in value is what I'm expecting. Reason for that is it's done quite a major pump in the last 24 hours, over 63%. So there is a chance that the crypto is slightly overvalued and maybe in for a little bit of a dip. Moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days we're looking quite skeptical. The orange line is looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, the blue line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Aurora over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid next week, the crypto should be hovering around 53 cents. However, I am expecting an overall increase in value, heading over 60 cents is where I'm expecting Aurora to be trading at by mid next week. But again, that does not mean it's going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. It is likely to take dips in between, hit red candles, going through a little bit of a price correction. By the end of this week, potentially dropping down to about 47-48 cents before it slowly starts to gain value. By mid next week, up to around 60 cents in value is what I'm expecting. Moving on to the daily chart. very bullish, going in a positive direction. However, this is not realistic because of how steep it's looking. Only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last few days. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming weeks. However, that is clearly not the case. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, late April, early May, I'm expecting Aurora to be hovering around, again, 58 to 60 cents, so around a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Reason for that is because I'm also expecting a price correction in between. Late March, I'm expecting more red candles from Aurora, dropping down to around 32 to 34 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to drop it down to, before it slowly starts to hit green candles for most of April, May, heading over around 58 to 60 cents. So it may seem good looking at the overall point. However, in between that time, I am expecting a price correction to take place. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, this proves my point as to why the crypto is overvalued and likely to drop back down into the dark green zone or even the green zone here over the coming 2 weeks, because it's literally broken out from the dark green zone into the blue zone and into the top tier level here without any resistance, which proves to me that the crypto right now is not sustainable and is overvalued. So more than likely will drop back down into the lower part of the green zone, dark green zone here, heading to around 32-33 cents, and then slowly starting to gain value up to around 60 cents by May is what my expectations are at the moment. But yes, I know we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market, which I will also keep you guys updated on as much as I can on how this will have an impact on the crypto market, when's the best time to buy and sell. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And on the positive side, Bitcoin is also getting very close to $73,000, guys, which again, you guys can see the crypto market is on the green side and has been quite on the strong side over the past week as well. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 330% in the last 24 hours, making it $39 million in trading, guys, which is a huge increase in trading. Reason being is it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, so it is clearly getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype around it, meaning more and more people are trading the crypto. Over the week 70% and over the month a massive 115% up, guys. Can Aurora essentially hit the dollar mark in 2024? Yes, it is possible. However, crashes, pumps, these things are unexpected, so things like this can delay or bring the process earlier on. But in Q3 of 2024 is when I'm expecting Aurora to be hitting the dollar mark. Let me know in the comment section down below how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.